Welcome guys, if you want to get this animated wallpaper on your Motorola One Fusion Plus, I'm going to show you how you can get it in a really easy way. So, at the first we have to go for the Play Store and we have to get this application, Magic Fluids Free. There's the full name, if you cannot find it, by the Magic Fluids phrase, and you have to download it, and after that you have to just open, click right here in the right corner, then tap to select the Set as Live Wallpaper and just click here to set as a wallpaper. And right now when you close this application, you will be able to use this really beautiful, really cool animated wallpaper. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.